My name is Danny Hamilton. I'm from Macclesfield, North Carolina. This is my good friend Charlotte Joyner. She's from Elm City, North Carolina. We have a 1956 Ford together. We really enjoy them, really enjoy being together. We built both of these cars. Besides, I got a 1966 Ford truck that's fully restored. And we really enjoy driving them, go to car shows. We go a lot of places together. We have a lot of fun. My Ford is a 1956 Ford Custom Line, straight shift, 3 on the column, all original. Hers is 56 Ford. Hers is a club sedan with automatic transmission and power steering. They really are good cars. Everything is standard on hers, all original.